What is mediation law?
I think it's important to distinguish between law in mediation and the law of mediation.
Right.
So say, for example, you are involved in a dispute and one of the legal issues is intellectual property. So you're going to be looking at some stage in the mediation, probably at the law of intellectual property in relation to that dispute. Or if it's a construction dispute or a contract law dispute, you're going to be looking at construction law or contract law as it applies to the facts of that dispute. That is law in mediation. That's how law is used in the mediation process.
Got it.
Law of mediation is something quite different. It's the law that applies to various aspects of the mediation process. So things like how the mediation process itself is regulated and managed. Things like what are your rights and obligations around confidentiality. Things like the admissibility of mediation evidence in subsequent arbitral or court proceedings. Things like the enforceability of mediation clauses or of a mediated settlement agreement that you might reach in mediation. All of those sorts of things and many others are examples of the law of mediation, and we also call that mediation law.